Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Last year, I made a video on the best credit builder loans, and today I'm going to update you on the best credit builder loans of 2025. Credit builder loans can help solve one of the most frustrating problems that you may face when you're trying to improve your credit. Because lending involves risk, lenders are more likely to lend money and to offer better terms to people that have good credit. And that's because good credit would signal that someone is more likely to pay back a loan, but you can't build good credit unless a lender gives you a chance. Now, credit builder loans are designed to solve this exact problem by being structured a bit differently than traditional loans. A lender doesn't actually give you access to the money that you've agreed to borrow. Instead, these loans give you the opportunity to improve the health of your credit, even if you have limited credit history or poor credit. At any point in this video, if you're interested in signing up for any of these credit builder loans, there will be a link in the description. Definitely check that out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. To build credit, you need credit, which can be a frustrating task for those just starting out, rebuilding, or trying to add a mix of credit types to the credit profile. Lenders are typically less likely to approve someone for a loan that has a low credit score or they do not have a thick credit profile. Now, if you find yourself in this position, a credit builder loan might be worth considering. A credit builder loan is designed to help people with little to no credit history, and growing your credit score has many benefits, like making it more likely you'll be approved for credit cards and loans at a better rate. Credit builder loans are typically offered by smaller banks, credit unions, but you may also find these from online lenders or fintech companies that offer them. Most loans can range from $300 to $1,000. They can have terms from 6 to 24 months, maybe even longer, with an annual percentage rate, or there's no APR whatsoever. Credit builder loans do not require you to have good credit for approval. However, they do require that you have enough income to make the payments. When applying, you may need to provide information on your employment history, income, and balance in your checking or savings. Now, all the credit builder loans we are going to discuss today do not require a credit check or a security deposit, and I did this intentionally. While there are many different types of credit builder loans that you can get, secured loans, pledge loans, all types of different loans, I want to make sure that 95% of the people watching this video will be able to qualify for all of the options that we mentioned in this video. So almost anyone watching this right now can qualify for any of the credit builder loans that we will discuss today. I picked the options that have the lowest cost, so almost anyone should feasibly be able to make payments so they can help build good credit, a credit mix, and in the future, get approved for much larger loans and credit cards. The first credit builder loan on our list will be from Kovo. If you have not seen my full review on Kovo, I definitely recommend that you watch that video. We are now on KovoCredit.com. This is a great place for you to build credit while also earning rewards. There is no credit check. There is no hidden fees. You get an instant decision, and this reports to 4 major credit bureaus. Now, your payment performance will be reported to TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, as well as Innovis. You also get a feature where you can track your FICO score, which is the most widely used scoring model that 90% of lenders actually use. You also can get protection with identity theft and data breaches when you sign up for Kovo, and you can also earn up to $1,225 in rewards, and you can get 1% back for loans and up to $75 for credit cards if you are approved. More details about that in my full review. Let's go over some frequently asked questions. By signing up for Kovo, you can build your credit easily with small monthly payments. You do this by paying $10 a month over 24 months, which comes out to $240. Payment history is the biggest factor of your credit score. It contributes to 35% if you're looking at the FICO scoring model. With the installment credit account, your monthly payments will be reported to the credit bureaus, and this means that Kovo can help you be on your way to building a stronger credit profile as well as having good credit mix. Now, there are no hidden fees. There's no setup fee, membership fee, no annual fee, no late fee, no failed payment fees, no processing fees, and no prepayment fees. There's no interest charges either. either. And there is also a return policy. So if you're looking to return your purchase with the installment credit account for any reason, you can do so within the first 30 days. And to initiate the return, you can email support@kovocredit.com. And once again, if you want more information about Kovo, please check out my full review. And if you would like to sign up for Kovo, check the link in the description. The next credit builder on our list is Kikoff, but this one works a little bit differently. The Kikoff credit builder loan is actually an additional option. You have to sign up for Kikoff Basic, that's $5 per month, and you get a $750 Kikoff trade line that will report as a revolving line of credit, like a credit card. There's also the Kikoff Premium. It's $20 per month, and this reports as a $2,500 trade line. And then there's Kikoff Ultimate, $35 per month. That reports as a $3,500 Kikoff trade line. Now, I have an entire video that goes over all of these plans, very much so in depth. I highly recommend that if you want more details about this. But now let's go over to the credit builder option when it comes to Kikoff. Now, once again, the Kikoff credit builder account is an optional add-on service that you pair with your Kikoff credit account. It actually will help you save money and build credit at the exact same time. The credit builder loan is reported to Experian and TransUnion. You can enroll with the credit builder loan and pay $10 per month for 12 months. The total loan amount is $120. You will not get any money up front, just to be clear. Instead, you'll receive your deposited funds at loan maturity, which will be at the end of the 12 months. Kikoff reports each payment to help you build credit, and you'll save with the credit builder loan payments. There is a 0% interest rate on the Kikoff credit builder loan, but you also want to keep in mind that this credit builder loan is currently not available in Hawaii, Indiana, Oregon, or Wyoming. The Kikoff credit builder loan is a secured installment loan, and it is not the Kikoff credit account that we just mentioned prior. That's the revolving trade line. I just don't want you to get the two accounts confused. And once again, if you want more details about that, I suggest that you watch my full review. There is a link in the description for Kikoff if you would like to join today. The next credit builder loan on our list is Brigit. Now with Brigit, you can build credit for a credit card, for a car, for a home, anything. And the best part about Brigit is that you only have to save $1 a month to build payment history. There's no credit checks, no interest or upfront deposits. To get started, you open your credit builder account. There's no hard pull. Once again, there's no credit score that's required. You set up your account in minutes to start building credit history and improving your credit mix. And you can start with as little as $1. You can choose how much you would like to save each month. These payments are reported to the 3 major credit bureaus to create payment history. Brigit reserves the funds for you in a secure deposit account. And at the end of your term, the loan is reported as paid in full, and any remaining savings that you accumulated throughout the term is accessible to you. Brigit also gives you the option to cancel your credit builder loan at any time if you choose to do so, and they'll report the credit builder installment loan as paid in full. But you can access the credit builder savings at any point by heading to the credit builder section in the Brigit app, tapping on withdraw funds, and from there you select the amount that you would like to withdraw, either a partial amount or the entire amount that you have saved up to that point. Keep in mind that the savings will be transferred to the checking account that you have linked to your Brigit account. When it comes to Brigit, it is $14.99 per month for you to use that credit builder service. So as you're saving, you'll still be paying $14.99 a month. That is just the cost of having the subscription that allows you to use the credit builder. And while it does come with a few other features, mostly what you're really signing up for is this credit builder account. The Brigit installment loan is for 24 months, so it is 2 years of payment history. I think the longer the term, the better it is overall for your credit score. If you would like me to do a full review on Brigit, then please let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to do that. But if you check the description, there is a link if you would like to sign up. The last credit builder loan on our list is going to be with Ava. And similarly to Kikoff, this one is actually a paired service as well that goes with the Ava app. Again, I have a full in-depth review on Ava. Highly recommend that you watch that video as well. Ava's pricing pricing is $9 per month, and that's going to be for the monthly plan, but it's $6 a month if you decide to pay for it annually. Now, when it comes to Ava, you will get a revolving credit line that's $2,500. There's also some additional features, but once again, I highly recommend that you watch my review. It'll give you all the details about Ava. But when it comes to the credit builder loan, there is 0 interest. However, there is origination fees in some states, so you'll have to check that to see if your state does have a fee. The way this works, you pay towards your secured monthly loan, you set aside $25 to build positive loan history, and then you get $300 back after 12 months. And once again, origination fees may apply in some states, but this is very easy and it's very doable. With each on-time payment, it'll have a positive impact on your credit score. This will report to all 3 major credit bureaus. One thing I do like about Ava and their trade lines is that they report every 7 days or less. So moreover, your on-time payments get reported at a much higher rate, which will have an immediate impact on improving your credit score. So you may not have to wait months just to see some results. You'll definitely see improvements to your credit score a lot faster when you use Ava. And just like our other credit builder loans, the link is in the description if you would like to check this one out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about any of these credit builders, more than likely I'll direct you to the videos that I have on them, because I did really in-depth reviews for each and every one of these except for Brigit. And if you would like me to do a in-depth review of that, then please let me know in the comments below. If you've signed up for any of these, then let me know how your experience has been. Have you seen a big improvement with your credit score? And which one of these do you like the most? Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and you have a wonderful day.